Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable adult content on Bluesky. First, open the Bluesky app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. In the top left corner of your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, find and click on the moderation section. This area typically includes content filtering and control option. You'll look for the option to enable the adult content and toggle the switch to turn it on. This will now allow adult content to appear in your feed. After enabling adult content, your feed will display more drivers and mature content depending on what others are posting. So this is how to enable adult content on Bluesky. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.